do another unboxing. Obviously you see it's an MXR. Many of you already know that I am a fan of MXR products. This is the M299 Carbon Copy Mini. I've been waiting for this pedal. I actually was emailing with MXR Dunlop a while ago, and I had asked them it would be so cool if you guys could bring out a Carbon Copy Mini, since the Carbon Copy is such an amazing old school analog delay pedal. So the customer representative emailed me back right away and said, I think you'll be very pleased to know what we come out with in the summer. Anyway, here we are. So I've been anticipating the release of this pedal because I love small pedals and I'm always looking for good ones, and I know you guys are as well. So let's take a look. Of course, the packaging is always the sickest. Black. They got the green of the original Carbon Copy. They actually give you a power supply, which is crazy because most companies these days don't. Here's my sticker, which will probably get used. The little feet that I usually don't use because I usually do the Velcro thing. Now let's see what we're dealing with. This is very nice. Another set of feet in here, so you get two. Wow. The finish on it is spectacular. So the cool thing about this is it has the mod button, and I'll do a sound demo. Probably do it with Synth. I'm on my Synth mode right now, on a Synth kick rather. Just a straight up, usual delay pedal, regen, mix, delay. So this is your delay time, this is how much delay signal you're going to hear, and then this is how long the repeats are going to be. Then we have this, the bright switch, which is extra cool because analog delays are normally on the darker side. The bucket brigade technology is usually a darker repeat, and that's of course what we love about them. But it's nice to have a little brighter frequency response, let's say for, if I'm using it on bass, which of course it'll get used on bass too. Let's just show you what this looks like. MXR Carbon Copy. I'll get a sound test going. But this thing is just... Anyway, very into this pedal right now. Look at that. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and say massive yes to this pedal. It's just awesome. You should get this pedal. If you're a fan of analog delay pedals like I am, pedal, coffee. Cheers. Thing is, I love making music. Anyway, I'll put a link to this pedal. You can check it out down there. Like and subscribe to Musician Warrior. Peace.